This is a 6-piece stainless steel serving set I bought ages ago and just never remembered to review. So I wanted to go ahead and do that because we love it so much. You've got 2 of each of these. They're really heavy, like heavy duty. They feel amazing quality and they're gorgeous. You've got 2 3-pronged forks. I love the way it's just rounded. There's nothing sharp on the sides, on the back. They're just so nice and pointy here. You've got 2 slotted spoons, great for straining stuff. 2 regular spoons. So I'm gonna show you, 'cause it's really hard to see in my hand, but this is compared to like a standard size tablespoon and fork. So you'll see it's much bigger. It's really great for serving. So much thicker than a standard tablespoon. I find this even works for scooping ice cream. Dishwasher safe. Just throw them in that top rack or wherever you put your cutlery. We love them and we will too.